Hello everyone, I am Nirupa, librarian of KV1 AFS सूरतगढ़। किताब पढ़ना हमें एकांत में विचार करने की आदत और सच्ची खुशी देता है द्वारा डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन। सो लेट्स celebrate the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on the 5th of September, which also marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian philosopher and the second President of India. Since 1962, India has been celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September. Do you know how is Teachers' Day originated? On the auspicious occasion of Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday, his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday. But in reply, Dr. Radhakrishnan said that instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be a privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was born in the year 1888 in a middle-class Brahmin family in the Madras Presidency, British India. He had done his post-graduation in philosophy subject from Madras University, and he wrote a thesis in MA, namely The Ethics of the Vedanta and its Metaphysical Presuppositions, in which he had told that the Vedanta system has ethics value. He had earned lots of respect in Indian philosophy. He was also nominated to the League of Nations Committee for International Cooperation in 1931. In 1947, when India became independent, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan represented India at UNESCO. And from 1949 to 1952, he was the ambassador of India to the Soviet Union. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly of India and later became the first Vice President and finally the President of India from 1962 to 67. Awards. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954, and in his memory, the University of Oxford instituted the Radhakrishnan Chevening Scholarship and the Radhakrishnan Memorial Award. He had also received the Peace Prize of the German Book Trade in 1961. Amazing thing is that he was a very humble person. When he became the President of India, Rashtrapati Bhavan was open for everyone, and people from all the sections of the society can meet him. Do you know that he had accepted only 2,500 out of 10,000 salary and donated the remaining amount to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund every month? According to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, teachers should be the best minds in the country. Teachers are the pillars of our society. They play an extraordinary part in the lives of our children, in equipping them with knowledge, strength, and to make them learn to face hardships of life. They involve themselves in molding their students into responsible citizens of the country. India is considered a haven for the knowledge imparted by great teachers of all times. हर बच्चे का पहला गुरु शिक्षक उसकी माँ होती है। बच्चा जिनसे संस्कार ग्रहण करता है, फिर बच्चा शिक्षा लेने के लिए घर से बाहर अपना पहला कदम अपने विद्यालय में रखता है और वहाँ उस बच्चे को प्राइमरी टीचर्स के रूप में प्रथम गुरु मिलते हैं और वो गुरु एक कुम्हार की तरह उस बच्चे को एक आकार देते हैं, उसे एक मजबूत आधार देते हैं। फिर वे उस बच्चे को उन टीचर्स के सानिध्य में लाते हैं जहां उसे ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए मार्गदर्शन मिलता है। सच, टीचर्स के उपकार को कभी भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। आज मैं KV1 AFS सूरतगढ़ के संपूर्ण स्टाफ की ओर से आप सभी को टीचर्स डे की, शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई देती हूँ। धन्यवाद।